If you want to get started with Leonardo AI, this video will walk you through the sign-up process step by step so you can access the platform and begin creating as quickly as possible. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for the fastest way to get in, this guide will help you avoid confusion and get set up the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to leonardo.ai. This is the official website for Leonardo AI, and it's where you'll begin the sign-up process. Once the homepage loads, look for the Start Now button or the Login option. Depending on what the site is showing at the time, either one can take you to the next step. Click the option that appears on your screen to continue. After that, you'll be taken to a new page. On this page, look to the left sidebar and click Sign Up. This is where Leonardo AI gives you the different login and registration options, so make sure you choose the sign-up path and not just the login screen if you're creating a new account. Next, you'll see a list of sign-up providers. Leonardo AI makes it easy by letting you sign in with Google, Microsoft, Canva, or email. Choose the method that works best for you. If you want the quickest option, Google is usually the fastest for most users. If you prefer to keep things separate, email is also a good choice. Once you select your provider, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in or verification process. If you chose Google, Microsoft, or Canva, you may be asked to confirm your account permissions and approve access. If you chose email, you may need to enter your details and verify your inbox. Just follow each step carefully and complete whatever verification is required. After that process finishes, Leonardo AI will load the homepage, and that means your account is now created and active. At this point, you're fully signed up and ready to start exploring the platform, generating images, and using Leonardo AI's creative tools. That's really all there is to it. In just a few simple clicks, you can create your account and get access without any complicated setup. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.